Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are doing very well. I am your physics teacher in Allied School, Abdul Aziz Campus, Scheme 7. My name is Nazakat Awan. In the name of Allah, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now, I am going to discuss with you summer vacation task of 9th class. This task consists of three portions. Number 1 is MCQs, number 2 is short questions, number 3 is long questions. So I will discuss with you these tasks briefly one by one. First portion consists of MCQs provided to you. Look like that. You should mark these MCQs on given sheet. So the next one is section 2, short question and conceptual question. So the very first question is define the following. So the first one, resultant vector. The answer of this question is a resultant vector is a single vector that has the same effect as a combined effect of all the vector to be added. So the next one is torque. The answer of this question is the turning effect of force is called torque or moment of force. For example, we open or close a door by pushing or pulling it. The formula of torque is the cross product of force and moment are. Torque will be equal to F multiplied by L. The unit of torque is Newton meter. So the next one is 3, center of mass, and last one, center of gravity. So the next one is question number 2, differentiate the following. Similarly, these are other short questions. The answer of these questions given to you on your provided notes. First question, like and unlike parallel forces, differentiate between torque and couple. Third one, stable and neutral equilibrium. So the question number 3, how head-to-tail rule helped to find the resultant of forces. Next one is 4, what is meant by principle of movement. The answer of this question is a body is balanced if the sum of clockwise movement acting on a body is equal to the sum of anti-clockwise movement acting on it. So the next one is 5, define neutral equilibrium. And last one, why the height of vehicle is kept as low as possible. Very important question for long question point of view. So the last section, long questions. The last section consists of long questions. So the very first one, how can a force be resolved into its perpendicular components? Number 2, find the magnitude and direction of vector whose rectangular components are given. Third one, define equilibrium, state and explain the condition of equilibrium. Fourth one, define and explain the 3 states of equilibrium with suitable examples. And last one, what is meant by a center of gravity of a body, explain an experiment to find the center of gravity of a plate of uniform thickness. That's for today. Thanks for listening and watching.